Muslims, we give respect to the Quran, alhamdulillah. But many of us, they go beyond the limit. They give so much respect that they forget for what purpose the Quran was revealed. We keep the Quran on the topmost shelf, alhamdulillah. They keep it so much on top that it's difficult to reach. And the Quran catches dust. The Quran is a book of guidance. It's a guidebook. Suppose if you are studying, it's kept at a shelf which you can reach the easiest. You won't keep it on top where it's difficult to take a stool to get it down. So Quran is a book which should be referred every day. It should be handy. And many of us Muslims, we tie the Quran in a pure silk cloth. And then we tie a knot on it. Suppose if you want to read the Quran, you start thinking, okay, 5 minutes to open the Quran. 5 minutes again to tie the Quran, 10 minutes. The thought of you opening the Quran and again tying it will be a deterrent. And if you have 10 minutes, 10 minutes abhi kholne mein aur bandhne mein jayenge. If you have 10 minutes time, to open the Quran, close 10 minutes, so better not read the Quran. See, we have to respect the Quran, but the main respect is in the heart. I'm not against keeping the Quran on top, don't get me wrong. But see to it that it is accessible. It's easily available for guidance.